Hello students, today we will see what is a paragraph is. So, a paragraph is a number of sentences grouped together and relating to one topic. That means when we see a paragraph, suppose this paragraph, how does it looks like? So, it looks like a group of sentences grouped together, okay, and which is related to one particular topic. So this is the definition of a paragraph is. So now we will see what are the principles of a paragraph structure. So when we write a paragraph, we need to follow certain principles and we will see what those principles are. So the first principle is unity. So the first and the most important principles to be observed in constructing a paragraph is that of unity. So just as each sentence deals with one thought, each paragraph must deal with one topic and one idea. So similarly, as a sentence deals with one thought, the paragraph must also deal with one topic and one idea, and it should not deal with more than one topic or idea. So this is the unity of a paragraph. So the next is order, the second principle. So the order is the second principle. The second principle of a paragraph construction is order, that is logical sequence of thought or development of subject. So there should be a logical sequence, that means there should be an appropriate order in the development of a subject. Events must be related in order to their occurrence. So we need to add events, and all ideas should be connected with the leading ideas and arranged according to their importance or order. So how do we need to arrange it? That means how do we need to place it in order is each of the ideas should be related to the leading ideas. That means as the paragraph will be proceeding, one idea should be connected to the leading ideas. The next is the variety. The third principle of a paragraph construction is variety, by which is meant that to avoid monotony. So the paragraph of a composition should be of different length and not always of the same sentence construction. So the variety, in the third principle we need to follow that a paragraph should not be monotony. That means the monotony should be avoided. Each sentences should be different in length, and the different paragraphs should contain different ideas and thoughts so that it doesn't become boring. So these are the three principles of the paragraph structure. To sum up, we will see some of the essentials we need for a paragraph construction is unity, as we have already seen. A good topical sentence, that means a paragraph should have a good topic. Then logical sequence of thought, as we have already seen, the logical sequence of thought should be there. And then the variety, as we have seen here, and a full and rounded final sentence in conclusion. That means whenever we write a paragraph, we should have a concluding sentence, and the concluding sentence should cover up all the topics and ideas that a single paragraph mean in it. So this is all about a paragraph.